In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a section in Webflow. Let's explore how to do this efficiently while ensuring your design remains clean and well organized. First, we need to access the Navigator panel in Webflow. This is a crucial step in managing any content on your web projects, as it shows you the overall structure of your page. To open the Navigator panel, you can either click on the Navigator icon located on the left-hand sidebar of the Webflow editor, or simply press the Z key on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick and effective way to toggle the Navigator without diverting too much attention away from your primary work area. Once you're in the Navigator panel, you'll see a comprehensive list displaying the hierarchy of all the elements within your current page. Understanding this structure is key as it provides a clear map of your elements, making it easier to identify the section you want to hide. This list is essentially a blueprint of your page, giving you an overarching view of every component and where each fits into the grand scheme of things. Next, to hide the specific element or section, you'll want to select it. You can do this either directly on the web page itself, if you recognize the section visually, or much more precisely from the list within the Navigator panel. Selecting from the list can often be faster, especially when dealing with pages that have a similar design across multiple sections. Once you have your section selected, direct your attention to the Style panel located on the right side of the Webflow interface. This panel is usually your go-to for customizing the look and feel of your elements, and it's where you make a vast array of CSS adjustments. Here, you'll find the Layout section, which is where we're aiming our efforts today. In the Layout section of the Style panel, there's an option that lets you adjust the display setting of your selected section. By default, it's usually set to Block, or whatever suits your specific layout needs. However, to hide the section, you'll change this setting to None. This action effectively tells the browser not to display that section at all, although it remains in the DOM, allowing you to reactivate it whenever necessary without having to recreate anything from scratch. And there you have it. By setting the display to None, your selected section is now hidden from view. This method is a simple yet powerful way to manage the visibility of elements on your page without deleting them entirely, preserving your work and keeping the layout flexible for future changes. Hiding sections like this can be particularly useful for temporarily taking parts of your page offline or for organizing different design states within your Webflow project.